do anything I wanted with his all torn clothes, didn't he? Definitely. Anything? I know what to do. Let's put on a puppet show with curtains and a stage and tons of puppets. Cool idea, Emmy. But who's gonna hold the other puppets? Dragons! I wish with all my heart to fly with dragons in a land apart. So, do you wanna?
Oh, a puppet show! You betcha!
Oh, I just love sock puppets! They're so
Smelly! Yuck!
What story should we do? How about a fairy tale? Yeah, Goldilocks and the Three Bears.
Oh, and I can eat all 3 bowls of oatmeal.
I love Hansel and Gretel.
Oh, that's even better. I can eat all the candy on the gingerbread house.
How about the 3 little pigs?
Love it! Definitely. 3, cool.
What did they eat?
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's make a puppet I'm the pig in the straw house.
I'm the pig in the house of sticks.
And I'm the smart pig in the brick house. Oink, oink, oink. And now it's time for the most important puppet of all.
Yeah, the really big...
Really bad? Wolf!
Huh?
Why'd you make a wolf? 'Cause I'm playing the wolf. What a cool wolf puppet. Oh, I'm sorry. I wouldn't have made my puppet if I knew you were gonna make one for me. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
No, she's not. We made it for us. We want to play the wolf. But I thought you wanted to play the music.
We always have to play the music.
And this time we want to do something else. But you play music the best.
Well, we want to be the wolf.
Yeah, no wolf,
No, Zach and Wheezy.
But if you play the wolf, who will play the music? I can't play the music by myself. I don't think I can. What about you?
Oh no, I'm a pig.
You've got to play the music. You're the best.
Please.
Will you?
No, if we can't be the wolf,
We don't want to play with you anymore. Stop, Wheezy.
Wait.
I guess we'll have to do the show without them.
But we need music, don't we?
I have an idea. Come on. Once upon a time, there were 3 little... Ouch! My foot!
Sorry.
Go on, Max. Hello. I'm the first little pig, and I built my house out of straws. La, 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 la. As the first little pig was playing in the meadow, along came the mean old wolf. Arrgh! Help! Help!
Let me in! Let me in!
Not by
don't you mean chinny chin chin?
I don't have any hair on my chin.
Shh. The first little pig made his home out of straw.
Then the two-headed wolf said,
I'll huff and puff and blow your ducker hole down.
Next time, I'll do the huffing and puffing.
This isn't any fun. Maybe we should go up and tell the others we'll do the music.
You think so?
And hop, and I'll pop, and I'll blow your house down. This isn't working. Can I miss Zach and Wheezy?
Me too.
Yeah.
Maybe we should let them be the wolf.
But... Okay. Great!
Let's tell Zach and Wheezy.
Come on! Zach? Wheezy? Are you in there?
We want you to come back.
It's no fun without you two. You can be the wolf if you want.
And we don't have to play music?
And I promise not to huff and puff too hard or step on your toes or anything.
All right. We can start the show over. It'll be great. But who will play the music?
And who's Emmy gonna play?
Yeah, there's 4 of you.
And only 3 little pigs. They're right. This won't work. There must be something we can do.
You sure this is gonna work?
Definitely. This is gonna be the best puppet show ever. They're gonna love it. Let's start the music. There were 3 little pigs. I built my house out of straws.
I built mine of sticks after I ate off all the ice cream.
And I built my house out of bricks. Then one day, the mean old wolves came.
Pigs, yummy.
We're gonna eat you up.
You won't get me. I got hair on my chin.
Oh, yeah?
Then we'll huff
And puff.
and blow your house down.
Can't get us.
Can too.
We'll huff
And we'll puff.
and we'll blow your house down too.
You'll never blow down my house of bricks, you nasty old wolves.
That's what you think.
What was that? That's not right.
Now we've got you, pigs.
Oh dear, oh dear. Uh-oh. Back off, you ugly wolf.
Who are you?
I'm the And the 4 little pigs lived happily ever after. I wish to use this rhyme to go back home. Until next time. Wasn't that the best puppet show ever, Max? Yeah, let's do another one tomorrow. Yahoo! How about Jack and the Beanstalk?
I'll be the big, mean giant.
Grrr. No, let's do the Frog Prince. I'll kiss you, and you'll turn into a handsome prince.
Yuck, I'm poisoned. Gah.